Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. This quick video, I want to do a review of CliKitz that you see here on the screen. Bank $136 per day with this push button, one-click payday app that makes you money every time someone clicks on their mouse. So what I'm going to do in this review is walk you through the sales page, show you inside the app, and let you know whether or not you should waste your money on this. So as you see right here, CliKitz review, push button, cloud-based, get paid for every single click. Normal price $197, get it now for $19. So what does CliKitz do? It builds pages that you see like this with a headline and a video, and you get to play the video. They're calling these microsites, and basically it's just a video player with a skin that allows you to overlay some type of call to action or run ads. Let me show you inside the dashboard real quick and show you what you get for your money. So this is inside the dashboard. You can see here they have some traffic stats for you, and you can go and you can create campaigns. Specifically right here, they do cover the campaigns that you can set up in training. You can see here, the first training is how to apply for Adsense for video ads resources. So right off the jump, they got you going over here to apply for Adsense accounts. Also going over to learn how to redirect a domain, which they show you how to do from Namecheap, and also how to set up your video tags and insert them into a CliKitz campaign. Those video tags again come from Google AdSense. Now let's jump back to the sales page and see if these first three steps that you see here make any sense from what they're telling you that you're going to get when you purchase this for a one-time price. So here we are back on the sales page, push button, no email list, no technical skills, no selling, no product creation, get paid, free traffic included. I'm going to show you the free traffic as well. Here you go. They're going to show you some unrelated screenshot here about money, and they're going to show you more money screenshots, more money screenshots. Going to tell you how you can make all kinds of money, but then they're going to focus in on 3 steps to one-click paydays. Step 1, log into the CliKitz cloud-based app from anywhere. Step 2, activate the app and get the following free traffic and get the free traffic flowing. It takes 30 seconds. And step 3, start getting one-click paydays and make money today. It's the same old that you see from these two guys, Jason and Sean, when they release one of these new traffic and money-making apps that they release once every month. Okay, so we'll go back again. We were on a 3-step process. The first 3 steps here apparently are to apply for AdSense, redirect that to a domain name, and then set up your video tags inside of the CliKitz campaign. Now there are 3 training videos here. One is how to apply to get AdSense approval, which you'll have to do. The other one is a CliKitz demo, and the other one is the full training. The full training video is about 30 minutes or 13 minutes, and it's going to show you basically that you can go in here and click on campaigns and click on create, and then you can create a campaign name here, test, and you create a video title, and here you can insert a YouTube video that you can search on YouTube, and the way they show you to do it is to search on YouTube. For example, make money online. This is the example they use. Of course, this could be health, fitness, relationships, any kind of niche, knitting, pets, and you simply search right here, and it pops up here, and it gets you videos that you see right here, how to make money online, and then you select one of these videos, and again, this app is going to pull that video in and let you overlay a button or apply for AdSense and run ads off of your AdSense accounts over someone else's work to one of these microsites that you will be creating that again will look like this right here, a simple microsite with a call to action and a video. So again, we'll go back and then you can create a thumbnail, you can grab one off Pixabay, or you can upload your own image and you can add a new action. And here is where the calls to actions come in. And here is where I don't think this is a really bad idea. But the issue is here, do you need this piece of software and all the upsells that they're going to provide in this funnel if you pick up CliKitz? I don't think so, because you can do all this, image ads, CTAs, buy buttons, opt-in forms. You're going to add an opt-in form here underneath your video or inside your video. You can do all this with other free options, or you could buy and use your own hosting and buy an app that could do this. Again, because if you're making money with this strategy, which is to create a microsite like this and drive traffic to it, and that's the key. You have to have traffic to this microsite. So with that said, let me go ahead and go back here, finish this out inside the dashboard where you can add or autoplay the video, create a playlist. You can change the background color, text, and all that, and you simply hit publish. Once you publish it, you'll be able to manage it right here. And as you can see, here is where your free traffic comes in. So after you create your CliKitz link and you create your free microsite here with the video player and the call to action inside of that video player, then what you can do is you can click here and you can share it on Facebook, you can share it through email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, or you can click this more button and you can share it here through all these other social share buttons. But couldn't you just do this with your own or by yourself by simply sharing it out once you create the page? And of course, I talk about Groove funnels, Groove pages, and Groove video right here on the channel. Link in the description. You can check those out where you could actually build the same kind of pages with these same types of call to action. Again, you'll click on one of these and it's going to look just like this. It's going to be a video, either a video you create or a video that you borrow from YouTube to add to, or to embed right here with your own headline and your call to action. And of course, you see when somebody's clicking this, as they watch this, they'll see this little order now button. If they click on this order now button, what will happen is you can see down here in the bottom, there's a link to ClickBank. And what they'll do is they'll click on that button. That will redirect them over to ClickBank, and that'll land them on your affiliate offer page or the offer that you're an affiliate for. And again, if they scroll down through here, they'll go ahead, click that buy button on this page. And of course, you would earn an affiliate commission for that. So again, CliKitz creates this page right here with a video that you either make yourself or you borrow from YouTube. Just like you see right here, it creates a campaign, and then the free traffic source they mentioned right here is to share it on social media or by email to your email list or to people that you know or people you think will want this to see this microsite. And again, I'll go back to the CliKitz page. 3 simple steps is what they claim. They immediately take you into creating an Adsense account, setting up a Namecheap domain that you have to do redirection for, which means you have to buy a domain, which means you have to pay more money on top of the money that you paid for this as a one-time price. Of course, they're saying the normal price is $197 a month. You can get it now for $19. If you want my opinion, there's no way in the world anyone is paying currently $197 a month for this. If they were, do you really think that they'd be selling it to you for $19? One last thing I'll cover with you real quick here on the sales page, and I highly suggest if you do click over and you do want to buy this, go down to the frequently asked questions, read about what CliKitz is, and see why it makes a difference. Because here's what they're telling you: free traffic is built right into the CliKitz app, and you get paid every time someone clicks their mouse. No selling it is required. Do I need any special skills or equipment to make money? No special skills are needed. Is free traffic included inside of CliKitz? Yes, free traffic. That again is the social share buttons that I showed you inside of the app. If you believe that that is free traffic, then I have some beachfront property here for you in Arkansas that I will sell you dirt cheap. So again, avoid CliKitz for a one-time price. This video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, just like you see right here. Click those, keep watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.